Hello students. So today I am here with my first video for class 11. So to those who will be opting for commerce stream, this video is very essential. So now, as you know, accounts is the main subject in the commerce stream. So I think without wasting our time, we should start our first chapter, because I don't know when this COVID-19 will be over and all the schools will take admissions. So without wasting our time, we should start our studies for class 11, isn't it? Okay, चलो. तो क्या है कि बेसिकली आज मैंने पहला चैप्टर लेके आ गया, वो है इंट्रोडक्शन टू अकाउंटिंग. अकाउंट्स बहुत ही इजी सब्जेक्ट है. मुझे नहीं पता क्यों सब लोग बोलते हैं कि वो हार्ड है, मैथ्स चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ चाहिए. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. मैथ्स बेसिकली तो हम लोग एलसीएम, प्लस, ऐड, लेस, बैलेंस तो हम लोग कर सकते हैं सब, सही है ना. तो इसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है कि अकाउंट्स लेने के लिए हम लोग को मैथ्स में बहुत स्ट्रांग होना पड़ेगा, ऐसा होना पड़ेगा, ऐसा कोई भी बात नहीं है, कुछ भी बात नहीं है. मेरे हिसाब से इट्स एन जस्ट easy subject if you understand the subject. So let me tell you, for information, if you understand the question of accounts, you can do the sum very easily. चलो तो फिर क्या करते हैं, हम लोग चैप्टर में जाते हैं. The first chapter is introduction to accounting. इंट्रोडक्शन टू अकाउंटिंग का मतलब है कि हम लोग अकाउंटिंग के बारे में जानेंगे. What are the terms that we use in accountancy and how many types are there, what are they, and we will understand it very broadly. बहुत easy है. देखो क्या करना. पहला टर्म है क्या, अकाउंटिंग. क्या है अकाउंटिंग? इट इज अ सर्विस एक्टिविटी. Is to provide quantitative information, primarily financial in nature. Whatever informations we need for running a business, that information will be provided from the accounting. Whatever information, if anyone gives you money, that money will be recorded. If you sell anything, see, accounting. So this word is to account. Account means what? To record, to summarize, to classify everything and to record it systematically. यही है अकाउंटिंग का मतलब. क्या है? We need to analyze, we need to take the information, valuable information, we need to summarize, we need to record in a proper accounts, in a proper books of account. Okay. It includes several branches. अकाउंटिंग का बहुत सारा ब्रांचेस है, several branches. मेन 3 branches है, फाइनेंशियल है, मैनेजरियल है एंड गवर्नमेंट है. फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग, मैनेजरियल अकाउंटिंग एंड गवर्नमेंट अकाउंटिंग. इन दिस अकाउंटेंसी वी विल यूज दिस फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग ब्रॉडली. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज क्या, बुक कीपिंग. बुक कीपिंग क्या है? इट्स एन एक्टिविटी recording of financial data related to business operations. It is record making phase of accounting. इस मतलब क्या है? Whatever the transaction is done by the business, whatever we purchase, whatever we sell, how much money come in the business, whatever we give money, everything we will record systematically with that date. So that is, whatever we record, we will record in a separate books of account. Cash book होगा, bank book होगा. If you purchase any machinery for the business, you will record all the machinery related transactions in the machinery account, isn't it? So whatever we purchase, whatever we will sell, there will be a separate accounts. There will be a separate books of account. Machinery account, cash account, branch account, everything will record in the systematically. That is known as bookkeeping. It is the activity recording and of financial data, whatever financial we do, whatever transactions we do related to the business operation, it is record making phase of accounting. Whatever we record in their particular accounts, that recording is called bookkeeping, so that we can use it in the near future. So whatever is going on in the business operation, all the expenses, all the money related transactions, everything will record in their respective accounts, and that recording is called bookkeeping. Understood? Next is what? Accounting information. It is a statement which provides a quantitative information about the effect of transactions and other events or an accounting entity. Means what? It is the informations which provides a quantity about the effect of transactions and other events on accounting entities. Same बात है, whatever we purchase, whatever we sell, whatever will be the expenses, those expenses we will take the correct informations and we will record in the books of accounts. There are several books of accounts. If you purchase machinery, there will be a machinery account. If you purchase vehicle for the business, there will be a vehicle account, there will be a cash account, there will be a bank account. So these accounting informations will record for the two sets of people. One is internal and the other one is external. Internal users means the directors or the partners. Means those who are core member of the business. Core member matlab the directors, the partners who will run the business. Without directors and without partners, there will be no other person that can run the business. Whatever they decide, whatever they say, the employees, other people, they have to do in their accordance. Okay, the next is what? External users. Who are the external users? External users are investors, those who invest in the business, lenders, those who give money, those who give loan to the business, suppliers, customers, government agencies, and employees and publics. So these are the external users. In accounting information, there are two sets of people. First one is internal. Internal means the core member of the business, that is the director and the partners. Okay. The next is external users. External users are investors, those who invest, lenders, those who give money, suppliers, customers, government agencies, public and employees. These are the very common terms. Okay. So these are the basic parts, basic things that we need to know before going more deeply in the chapter. The first thing is accounting. Accounting क्या है? Accounting क्या है? It is a service activity, एक activity है जिसमें हम लोग सब कुछ करेंगे, हम लोग प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन लेंगे, इंफॉर्मेशन के हिसाब से हम लोग बिजनेस चलाएंगे. ठीक है. It includes several branches. फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग भी है, मैनेजरियल अकाउंटिंग भी है, गवर्नमेंट अकाउंटिंग भी है. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? बुककीपिंग. व्हाटएवर वी परचेज, व्हाटएवर वी सेल, we have to record systematically. If I purchase today, I have to record it. If I sell tomorrow, I will record tomorrow. Whatever I do in the business, if money come inside in the business, or if money goes out from the business, whatever is going on in the business, we have to record. Otherwise, we cannot find the profit or loss at the end of the year. Okay. The next is what? Accounting informations. Whatever informations we collect, we will be collecting. Those informations will be valuable. Should be valuable. Okay. There are two sets of accounting information. One is internal, one is external. Internal कौन-कौन है? Internal है board of directors जो लोग होते हैं, partners जो लोग होते हैं, वो लोग होते हैं internal. External कौन-कौन है? The lenders, those who lend money, investors, your customers, your employees, public. These are the external. Okay. Next is what? Event. Event क्या है? occurrence happening, change or incident which may or may not bring any change in the financial position of the business unit. Example देख लो क्या है. Example of event is a change in the price of a product that the business unit buys or sell, or an improvement in technology by a competitor. So event is what it is, just like anything is happening in the business, whatever is happening, whether it is related to business or it is related to some other events, some other things. So whatever is happening in the business, that happening we call as event. Say if the price of a product increase, as you can see the example, a change in the price of product that the business unit brings or sell, or an improvement in technology by a competitor. So say suppose I am doing one business, same business another person is doing. So that person is having a updated equipments which I don't have. So for competing him, I need to purchase the updated machines, isn't it? So that is called what? Event. Anything that changes for the business, anything that is happening for the business, we will call as event. Okay. Next is what? Transaction. One of the important point. Transactions. It is a particular type of external unit which can be expressed in terms of money and brings changes in the financial position of the business unit. Example देख लो क्या है? When goods are purchased for cash, there is a movement of goods from the seller to the buyer and a movement of cash from the buyer to the seller. Transaction क्या है? See, first of all, transaction must be done with the two person. Transaction cannot done with the one person. Transaction is what? तुम मुझे कुछ दो, मैं तुम्हें कुछ दूंगा. You give me money, I'll give you the product. So that interchange between and you is called transactions. पैसा के बिना हम लोग ट्रांजेक्शन नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है ना? So if anyone is purchasing from me, they should pay me and then I will give them the good, isn't it? So it is a particular type of external unit which can be expressed in terms of money and brings changes in the financial position. If the person takes goods from me, he will give me the money and this money will change the financial position. So that is known as transactions. And always remember, transactions cannot do by one person. There should be at least two person for doing a transaction. Okay. Next is what? Example तो हम लोग देख लिया. When goods are purchased for cash, in the movement of goods from the seller to the buyer and the movement of cash from the buyer to the seller. I am the buyer, you are the seller. If you purchase anything from me, you need to pay me and then I will give you the goods. ऐसा क्या बिना तो मैं तुम लोग को goods नहीं देने वाला. So you give me the money, I'll give you the goods. So this is known as transactions. This is known as what? Transactions. Okay. So these are the related terms that we will be using in our upcoming chapters. So there are many more terms which we will be using it regularly. So last topic है क्या? Transactions are analyzed in terms of accounts to be maintained for assets, liabilities, capital, revenue and expenses. So transactions, we will be using these transactions in these cases. In assets, if we purchase any assets, if we purchase any kind of assets means what? Building, machinery, land. Means assets are those things which you will use more than 1 year. Land, building, machinery, these are all assets. I'll be discussing this term later on. This topic I'll be discussing later on. Just you try to know the terms. Next is what? Capital. Capital is what? Say suppose me, you, we are running a business. There are 5 people. So 5 people will invest some amount of money, huge amount of money, lump sum money, that is known as capital. Okay. The next is what? Expense. Whatever for running a business, whatever expense is required for advertising, for refreshment, for anything, for traveling expenses, for postage, for telegraph, anything, whatever the expense is required, that expense we need to record. Liabilities. Liabilities का मतलब क्या है? Say I am borrowing a huge amount of money from the bank. That is known as what? Loan, isn't it? So at the end of the year or at the end of the 4 to 5 years, I have to pay the money. So this is my liabilities of the business. इसका मतलब क्या है? I have to pay the money. I am liable to pay the money from whom I bought the money. So I am liable to pay. That is known as liabilities. And asset is what? Asset means whatever I have in the business, in my business, that particular things or those things is mine. I will not give to anyone. So it is my assets. These are the most important terms that you will be using in the accountancy. Assets, capital, expenses, liabilities and revenue. Revenue का मतलब है income. Revenue का मतलब है income. So these are the things that we know, that we will be knowing more elaborately in our next video. The first thing is accounting. हम लोग को पता है क्या है? बुक कीपिंग मतलब रिकॉर्डिंग करना हर एक अकाउंट पे. Then accounting information, whatever informations we get, it should be valuable and it should be clearly written. Accounting information दो टाइप के होते हैं, एक है internal, एक है external. Internal means what? The core members, the board of directors or the partners. And external क्या है? Investors, lenders, suppliers, customers, public employees. These are the outsiders are the external. But these externals are also a part of a business. Okay. Next is what हम लोग ने क्या सीखा? Event क्या है? Event, whatever is happening in the business, that is known as event. Okay. This is what? Transactions. Transactions is what? It is a particular type of external unit which can be expressed in terms of money, and it should be done between the two person, at least two person. That is known as transactions. Next क्या है? Transactions are analyzed in terms of accounts. These transactions are only analyzed in terms of accounts. क्या क्या है? To be maintained for assets है, liabilities है, capital है, revenue है और expenses है. ठीक है? So these are the basic terms that is required for this subject accountancy. In my next video, I will be showing you some more terms which you need it for your future studies. So till then, I hope you people understood. So for my next video, keep updating, keep subscribing my channel, the Accountancy Hub, and I'll try to give my videos regularly and go through all the videos. I hope I can help you people.